Hey guys, my name is Amay Karhade and I'm 22 years old. Today I'm sitting here next to Vriti Srivastav, who's a nutritionist. In this episode of Us vs Expert, I'm going to test my knowledge on health supplements, mainly gut health, vitamin D3 and calcium. So I have a bowl here full of questions that the expert will pick at random. First I'll give my answer, followed by the expert's answer. Cool?
Cool.
Awesome, let's hit me with the first question.
Done. Okay, ready to test your knowledge?
Let's go.
Alright, let's pick the first question. Okay, this is interesting. So why is good gut health so important for general health and well-being?
Okay, so it's important because it helps in digestion of food and staying physically healthy.
Well, yes, you're correct. But not just that, gut health is much more. So the digestive system is interconnected with the rest of the body, particularly the central nervous system and the immune system, which means that good digestive health has a positive impact on overall health. The gut is responsible for breaking down the food we eat and absorbing the nutrients our bodies need to function properly. When the gut is healthy, it can more effectively absorb these nutrients and distribute them throughout the body. Alright, let's pick the next question.
Let's go.
Okay, this is a bit tricky.
Okay.
How can one improve their gut health so that there are minimal or no digestive problems?
Okay, so alright. So by eating healthy, fiber-rich foods and eating on time, not skipping meals, and just having the right kind of food intake, like a balanced diet.
Alright. So, eating healthy involves including prebiotic and probiotic foods as part of a balanced diet that is high in fiber, fruits and vegetables, and whole grains. This can help promote a healthy gut microbiome and prevent digestive problems. But avoid processed and sugary foods which can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut. It's not just limited to food, but other lifestyle factors such as learning how to manage stress, exercising regularly, getting adequate rest and quality sleep, staying well hydrated and taking health supplements as needed for your health. Next question. Okay, let me see if you can answer this one.
Okay.
So when should you take gut health supplements?
So since it's for digestion, I think we should take it after having a meal.
Okay, it's actually much more than it sounds like. So actually, the best time to take a probiotic depends on the bacterial strain used in the specific product and the health purpose for which it is being used. Probiotics are usually advised 30 minutes before meals and 2 to 3 hours after your last meal to be most effective. Probiotics are also effective when taken at bedtime before sleeping. Taking probiotics before bed may help promote better absorption by allowing the bacteria to work while you sleep when your digestive system is less active. It's important to follow the instructions on the probiotic product label, as some products may have specific instructions regarding when and how to take them. Additionally, it is a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new probiotic supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any other medications. Okay, are you excited for the next question?
I am.
Okay, let's see what we have here. Alright, so what are the visible symptoms of vitamin D3 deficiency?
Is it even visible? Like, isn't it internal?
Well, you have a point here. So vitamin D deficiency can be difficult to notice because symptoms may not occur for several months or years. Sometimes you may have no symptoms at all. Vitamin D deficiency in older adults has shown some symptoms of fatigue and tiredness. Now in children, researchers have shown poor sleep quality, shorter sleep duration and delayed bedtimes in vitamin D deficient kids. Weak bones and back pain is one, muscle pain, anxiety, mood swings, depression have been associated with vitamin D deficiency. Alright, let's take the next question.
Let's go.
Okay, this is about the most trendy diet. So does a vegan diet lead to deficiency of vitamin D3 and calcium?
Of course. है ना? मतलब दूध से ही तो सारा कैल्शियम आता है वैसे भी.
Okay, it is a fact that any individual, irrespective of whether he or she is vegan or a non-vegetarian, will develop a deficiency for vitamin D if right sources of vitamin D are not included in the diet or if exposure to sun is not sufficient. While dairy products are a common source of calcium, there are many plant-based sources such as leafy greens, soy products, whole grains such as ragi, nuts, seeds such as sesame seeds that can provide adequate amounts of calcium for a vegan diet. Okay, let's take the next question to test your knowledge. Alright, so do you need to take vitamin D3 supplements every day?
I mean, अगर रोज धूप में जाओ तो नहीं ना मतलब.
Alright, so it is not necessary to take vitamin D every day. If you need to take vitamin D because your blood levels are low, you can take it every few days, weekly or even monthly because it is a fat soluble vitamin and therefore stored for future use within the fat in your body. Okay, so last question of the day. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
अच्छे से choose करना.
Well, let's see what you've got.
Okay.
Let me see if you can answer this one now. What is the best way to take vitamin D3 supplements?
I would say before a meal, like on an empty stomach.
Let me enlighten you here. So vitamin D3 is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning that it does not dissolve in water and is absorbed best in your bloodstream when paired with high-fat foods. For this reason, it's recommended to take vitamin D supplements with healthy fats to enhance absorption.
It's kind of fascinating. There's so much more to learn. I must say this was very interesting.
Well, it was my pleasure to see so many people having this curiosity to learn about such subject. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you for coming. This was really fun to do, and if you want your questions to be in this bowl, write them down in the comments below. Until then, subscribe to Hyugalife for more such interesting videos.